The R7 World GP's 60th anniversary is Yamaha's opportunity to bring some thrill and excitement to this little R7 lineup, whilst the rest of the world is waiting for the company to announce the new MT09 derived R9. So when I was snapping some pictures of the Yamaha range here at Chorley Yamaha, I just couldn't resist the lovely paint scheme of the 60th anniversary and had a little look around this bike. Now, clearly Yamaha's mission here was to create something unique that embraces the historic white and red racing colors, and I think they've done exceptionally well in that regard. But besides that color scheme, the bike specs remain unchanged from the standard model that starts from £8,900. This 60th anniversary model costs £300 more at exactly £9,200. So what do you get with all that? Well, starting from the high torque 689cc liquid-cooled CP2 engine capable of delivering 73.4 PS of peak power at 8,750 RPM and 67 Nm of torque at 6,500. The 270-degree crank gives it an uneven firing interval that ensures a lively and exciting ride. Now, you can add the optional quick shifter to the R7, but as standard, it comes with the assist and slipper clutch that delivers smooth and clear shifting. There's no traction control or power modes, but you get ABS and a 4.5 inches color dash with a gear position indicator and fuel gauge. The bike weighs 188 kilograms weight thanks to the compact frame that makes it the slimmest bike in the R series family. Suspension wise, at the front there is a 41mm upside down fork that features full adjustability for preload, rebound and compression damping. At the back there's an adjustable link type rear shock with a horizontal layout to help centralize mass. Brake wise, the R7 is equipped with a 298mm dual disc setup at the front with a Brembo radial master cylinder and a single 245mm disc at the back. Tires are tubeless with the front measuring 120/70 and the rear 180/55. Seat height is 835mm, and as you can see here, as I'm 6 foot tall, it was more than easy enough for me to flat foot this bike. And to finish this all up, the fuel tank capacity is at 13 liters. So overall, I'm well impressed with the level of quality of this 60th anniversary R7, and I'm so excited to see what the future holds for Yamaha and the whole R series family. Now, what do you think about this bike? Is it a worthy upgrade to the standard model? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you're new here and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the next videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.